I've walked through these mountains many times, but nature always finds a way to surprise me. Today, as the wind moves through the trees, a single green leaf catches my eye. Tiny white dots rest upon it, almost like snowflakes frozen in time. Under the microscope, my surprise grows. Those white dots aren't dust or fungus. They look like tiny flowers blooming from the surface of the leaf itself. But they're not flowers at all. They are living creatures, wax-covered insects, building their soft fortress against the world. These insects, often called mealybugs or wax scales, produce silky white wax from their bodies. The wax helps them hide from predators, keeps their fragile bodies from drying out, and even protects their eggs. To the naked eye, they look harmless, but under magnification, they form an entire colony, an alien city living quietly on a single leaf. As I move deeper into the forest, another plant draws my attention. A tall green nettle waving gently in the wind. To most people, it's just a plant that causes pain. But to me, it's one of nature's most brilliant defense designs. Under the microscope, the nettle becomes a weapon forged by evolution. Its surface is covered with glass-like hollow needles, each one filled with a toxic cocktail of histamine and formic acid. When touched, the fragile tip breaks, injecting the venom into the skin like a natural syringe. It's a defense system both cruel and beautiful, precision designed by evolution. From the wax-covered insects to the stinging needles of the nettle, one truth stands clear. In nature, beauty and danger live side by side. Every leaf, every drop of dew hides a secret waiting for those who dare to look closer. I close my notebook and lift my camera once more. Ahead of me, the vast meadow stretches toward the horizon, whispering promises of more secrets waiting to be found. I keep walking because in this endless field of life, every step reveals another hidden truth. And I know this journey has only just begun.